Top 5 mistakes first-time buyers make in real estate. Point 1. No proper budgeting. Mistake number 1. Not setting a clear budget. Many buyers only look at the property price but forget extra costs like registration, GST, maintenance, and interiors. Point 2. Ignoring location research. Mistake number 2. Choosing the wrong location. Remember, location drives both rental income and future appreciation. Point 3. Not checking builder's reputation. Mistake number 3. Trusting the wrong builder. Always check past projects, delivery timelines, and RERA registration before investing. Point 4. Skipping legal verification. Mistake number 4. Skipping paperwork. Get all documents, like title deed, approvals, and encumbrance certificate, verified by a legal expert. Point 5. Emotional buying. And mistake number 5. Buying emotionally. First-time buyers often fall in love with a flat without analyzing long-term ROI or resale value.